So here we are with the MyButeyko app, and I wanted to show you this time how to complete a profile and the steps that are involved there, how quick and easy it is, but also some of the in-depth information that you can put in there that would be really helpful for you monitoring the progress of your health and managing any medical condition that you have. So let's go and have a look at that right now. Let's register. Simple to start with, a username that we can use. I'm going to put Johnny1, email johnny1@johnny1.com. I've used this one before. Okay, 11. And a password. Passwords need to be at least 8 characters. So there we go. Now my name, Johnny Foxwell. My age, my gender. All pretty standard stuff so far. Phone number. How can MyButeyko help? Do I want to improve my health and fitness, or do I want to alleviate a medical condition? Well, I'm going to say that I'd like to alleviate a medical condition, and that I'm taking a course in breathing better because I have asthma. So I'm going to select respiratory conditions and asthma. How many medications do I take for this? Well, I take 2 medications. I don't take any antihistamines. I do take a preventer, and I take Entecort as my preventer, and I also take a reliever, and I take Erdatin as my reliever. So those are the 2 that I take. Other conditions, well, I do also suffer from panic attacks occasionally. Now, what's quite clever here is that MyButeyko has worked out what assessments I need to fill in based on my profile that I've entered here, the information I've entered here. So it knows that I need to complete a little quick health assessment and a quick respiratory assessment because of my asthma. So health is all pretty easy stuff, just tap and go. What's my concentration like, 1 to 10? Well, I actually have got really good concentration. My energy is just a little lower than average. Physically, I'm in average condition, but I get very stressed because of my anxiety. Severe effect on my life. Sleep, very poor. Appetite is also poor. This is all relating to my stress. General health, just a little below average, I'd say. Emotions, yes, I'm often anxious and depressed, and I get headaches as well from that. So pretty low scores for a lot of this. And then, because of my asthma, I've got a little respiratory assessment here. So how breathless am I? Well, it's rarely is it a problem that I'm breathless, but it is a problem. I do need my medication though to get me there. I cough a lot, and I also wheeze a lot. I don't have asthma attacks very often. I do get disturbed sleep from my coughing, and it does affect me with my exercise. So the great thing, now that I've completed this, once I've done Buteyko for a few weeks or maybe a couple of months, I can complete one of these again and see if there have been any improvements in any of these areas which Buteyko has been known to be linked to. Now I can choose to add a practitioner if I'm completing this because I've started a course with a practitioner, and from the outset I want that practitioner to see all of my data. In this situation, I found MyButeyko through a friend and I want to start using the app before I talk to any practitioners, so I'm going to leave this part blank. I can see the terms and conditions. Have a quick read through those if I want to. I can accept them and then click submit. And I've now completed my profile. It's welcoming me here. This is how long I've been active. I haven't done any exercises yet. And the first time my profile was updated was when I started it. Now I can update my profile at any time. I can say, actually, I don't take any medications now for my asthma, or I've now gone to just one. And I can complete my health and fitness assessment here and my respiratory assessment here, and I'll be able to see if I've improved in any way, and then I can submit and update that. So that's the profile section. What it also means, because I've completed a profile, is that I'm automatically logged into my profile when I next open the app on my device. If I am using somebody else's device, or I am on a PC that's perhaps a work computer or a shared computer, I can ask MyButeyko to forget my login details. So I can click this here, and MyButeyko will log me out the next time that I start up the app. So let's do that. Here we go. Starting up again. And you can see here that it's forgotten me. So that's the profile section of the app. It's really, really good to put in as much information as you can in there, because it allows you to be able to see any real life symptom progress that MyButeyko might be having on your well-being. It can really motivate you and help you move forward, and all of that information is also shared with your practitioner if you connect with one. So that's the profile section of the app. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and get going with it. Get going with the app. It's free. Get into it and start doing exercises and start feeling the well-being benefits of starting to breathe better.